Alright. How's it going, flippers? Whoops. So yeah, I obviously have uploaded all these unboxing and ASMR flipping and review videos and such. But now, hopefully, I have a bit of time that I can start filming some tutorial videos. A lot of the Balisongs I review / unbox are at a good price for those looking to jump into the hobby and start learning how to flip. So there might be a lot of my viewers out there who don't even own Balisongs or who have just recently purchased maybe one of these that I've reviewed or unboxed, and they're trying to figure out how to get this thing flipping and how to get it looking nice. So yeah, I'm gonna start here with a I guess I should probably have started with like some more basic moves, but I'm gonna start with the move that is kind of a beginner move. You definitely want to learn it in your first couple months or so flipping. But yeah, I'm actually still learning it because I never really learned it back in the day. So we're gonna start with the behind the eight ball, which is already kind of like a intermediate to beginner move. I'm gonna show you what it looks like real quick. And that was actually a variation. So the actual behind the eight ball looks something like that. That was a little sloppy. Let's see if I can. There we go. So that's behind the eight ball, but this variation I'm doing, instead of doing a 0G index and then a thumb rollover, you're going to do your 0G index rollover, and then from here, instead of throwing it over your thumb again, you're actually going to bring the blade up, and then you're going to switch it around right here and do a thumb rollover this way instead of this way. So yeah, that's really complex. I don't expect you to know that, but the main part that I'm going to be learning / teaching here is going to be this reverse thumb rollover. So it looks something like this, where you're holding the safe and or bite handle, and then you do a reverse rollover like that. So yeah, I think you want to hold the bite handle usually when you do this move. Just make sure you don't have the safe handle come and knock the blade into you. So yeah, hold it down at an angle so that is less likely to happen. And then from here, you want to just throw the balisong like that over your thumb. And from this point, you're going to want to let go. And then when you let go, the momentum will carry the safe handle back over to you, where you catch it like this. So yeah, I'm actually learning the short stop, but this reverse thumb rollover is the first part of the short stop. So hold it like this with the bite handle, and then back over. You're gonna catch it like this, and then you're gonna wanna, for the short stop at least, you're gonna wanna hold it like this, and then flip it over, and then catch it on your thumb like that, and use your index to kind of help guide it down, and then catch it in the reverse ice pick grip style. So yeah, let's try just the reverse thumb roll over here, like that. And then I'm gonna get my middle finger excuse me. I'm gonna have my middle finger here and put my ring finger right here, so I can then boom. Okay, I almost had it right there. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. So yeah, bite handle, reverse thumb rollover, safe handle, get my ring finger in there, boom, boom. Alright. So yeah, I'm learning the shortstop here. It's a fairly beginner move. I would say like intermediate to beginner move. Definitely something you want to have in your flipping arsenal. So I would say your first like 4, 5, 6 months for sure, you're gonna want to start learning this trick. So yeah, I would say you have like your basic openings like that, and then I guess that would be your first basic opening that you would learn something like that. Uh, and then you would learn to do like a rollout like that, where you flip it open. It's kind of like fanning. This is like the beginner fanning when you do like a rollout. So when you open it and then swing the handle around, yeah, that's like your beginner fanning. Just getting to control the handle and getting used to spinning it around. So yeah, goes basic opening, something like that. And then you have your rollout, something like that. Then you have maybe something like this. I forgot what this move is called. That's something really simple. You can just get used to putting your index in there, and then getting your thumb in there also to do that. And then once you learn that, you start learning your rollovers. Thumb rollover, Y2K. This one's down as opposed to horizontal. Then you got your like index rollovers like that. You do a rollover over your index. Then apart from rollovers, you got like these rollovers where it's holding just one handle, stuff like that. And then once you got those down, I would say you're ready to learn to the shortstop. Depending on what you want to learn, it's all personal preference, really. Yeah, let me know what other moves you would like to see me cover. This was kind of just like the beginning of my tutorial videos. I wanted to kind of make a tutorial video for a move that I'm learning, so you can see kind of what it looks like when I don't know what I'm doing and I'm trying to learn what to cut myself right there. Always like to learn new moves on trainers first, for that reason. But yeah, thank you for watching. I can't, yeah, it's really late right now, so thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.